So hello and welcome back to another video on the Nice Life. So today the box will be arriving. The guy messaged me to say that it's done. So we're on our way there. Real quick. Just getting in the car quickly. Just place you guys here on the mount. Sweet. So yeah, box is done. We're gonna head off to this guy named Freddy in Good. I'm gonna put these details down below if any one of you guys want to do your gearbox there as well. We're going to put it real quickly. We're talking to this guy to get the gearbox. So I didn't get an update on what was wrong with the box, but he gave me a call in the week and said that it was actually worse than what we thought it was. We thought it was only third gear that was the issue, which was the main issue, but the box was in pretty bad shape. So issues were we had second gear that was worn down badly, and the one sinker was broken. That's how I always got the grind when I hit second gear. And then with regards to third gear was fine. Both sinkers were broken. That's why we couldn't get third. We were lucky to get third once or twice. So that was the issue with third gear, as well as the fork was badly bent. So, well, not bent, sorry. Well, it was bent, but it was mainly eaten away already, the fork. So, which tells us the box might have been running on very little to no oil for a long time. And then yeah, fifth gear, we also had the issue. One of the teeth was broken on fifth gear, but he said we could get away with that. We shouldn't have to worry about that too much. So yeah, that's up with the box. I'm just head to the ATM real quick to get some cash, and then when you shoot through, pick up the box, and then for this video to just have it painted and then fitted. So I'm gonna go with a silver. Let's spray the gearbox silver. And then now we're gonna have it fitted and then hopefully shade up like we intended to, or the way I wanted to rip. As long as I get all my gears, I'm happy. So yeah, we're just gonna head over there quickly and then we'll be on our way.
Yo, Steve, man, play me that beat.
We just secured the box. We got the box. I'm gonna head over to
and we know that happened in
one of the local stores of us. Get some engine degreaser or some degreaser. I usually like to use the Plixen, which is not oil based, it's a water based degreaser. So I'm gonna get that and some silver spray. Then we can get the prepping on this box. Yeah, I'll see you guys back at home. So yeah guys, this is not a professional video, so we don't have all the next level equipment. So we're gonna spray this thing on the cup. The gearbox is over there.
Am I gonna be live?
All back in. Can be if you want to be. Smaak die bandreis live. Dis klaar op.
I am a paid sponsor.
SAB is not a sponsor. If only they could sponsor us, no? Then the videos would be lit all the time. Welcome Billa, welcome Billa, welcome Billa. Now we just got something now. Cold beverages and a couple of snacks.
Yo.
Baby sitting right there. Gearbox will be sprayed now. I'm gonna show you the equipment, but products I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be using Blixum. This is the degreaser I'm going to be using. If you haven't used it, use this shit. This is the best. Also, I'm using this because it's not the oil-based degreaser. It's a water-based, so it'll be better to get it cleaned up and apply spray smell immediately. You also got some Glue Devil. This is the heat-resistant silver that I'm going to be using. Probably do about 2 or 3 coats with this, and it should be good. But I'm going to put you guys on the time lapse. I'll do the whole spraying process. So yeah. Yeah guys, that's what it looks like after 3 coats of high temp silver. This is a Glue Devil spray that I used. I know you guys are gonna hate on me for not covering up the mountings and the shit, but I just sprayed everything silver. As long as it looks good and it goes in and it's operational, I don't give a shit about anything else. So yeah, that's what the box looks like now. All fresh and silver and shiny. So in the next video, we're gonna be putting the gearbox back in. I'm contemplating on doing the clutch as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. So I never had an issue with the clutch when I initially drove the car. But I think I should maybe, I don't know, I'm confused. But the thing is, the paint box is painted, it's back, it's 100%, it's going in. That's what counts.
Yo,
But for now, that's all.
Play me that
Cheers.
beat.